Hey, my cook. It's very good for your health. यसरी यो टुप्पा टिपेपछि चाहिँ यसको साइडबाट मजाले पलाएर आउँछ। Hey, my cook. What's going on? What's special today? Okay, that's my mint. We'll make a pickle from there.
Shirts सबै निकालेको क्या
Yeah, we need to wash the very nicely.
I'm going to do one more time. It's like a French fries.
French fries style काटेको. I have my own one universal style to cut.
घिउ छ सक्नु लागेछ Alright, here is Sukuti.
Dry meat.
किनभने भित्रको चाहिँ यसमा हाल्ने यो मासुमा बाहिरको चाहिँ सालुटमा हाल्ने क्या
अरु चाहिँ काटौँ टमेटो बाइक
पर्टेसन राख्नु ल पर्टेसन के टक्क भाँडामा हालेर राख्नु क्या Adding some salt. घिउमा भुटेको सुकुटी खाँदा कस्तो हुन्छ बुढा
एकदम मिठो हुन्छ
At the meantime बुढा चाहिँ
making salad.
Yeah.
Cutting.
तपाईँ त सेफले जस्तै गरे के अरे सेफ होइन किचन कटले गरेको जस्तै गरेर गर्नुभयो त
I mean, this is by my nature. I never ever learn anywhere in the world.
That's you just learn it by yourself.
Yeah, just I saw like, okay, let's cut like this. I don't know I'm doing right or wrong, but I'm cut like this.
This is all you need more. That's enough or you need more? Yo, mint पनि हाल्दिने क्या है अब पिसेर बस्नु
Katerin haल्ने
Okay.
mint पनि.
You can chop them all. So you have avocado, onion. Okay. It's perfect.
Yep. And this gonna be mint.
बाहिरको चाहिँ यहाँ हाल्ने एकदम राख्यो अनि भित्रको जति चाहिँ तरकारीमा हाल्ने
I think that's how she wants.
Okay, this is what we have here. Cucumber, mint, green chilies, onion, carrots, and tomatoes.
Did you say avocado?
Oh, I did. Yeah, I didn't. But avocado. And we also have like whole lemon here. I'm just gonna put half of it lemon juice. And that would be our salad. I probably would put some sweet corn. We'll see. This is for the curry that I'm making right now. So I have dry red chilies, spicy one, dalle farsani, and some timur. And I'm gonna ground them and put them in here.
I can bring the green garlic.
Here, I'm gonna mix my salad now. Yहाँनिर dishwasher पनि छ मेरो. Tahin. And pretty much that's it. That's all the spices I put in here. And some lemon juice. And that's it. Here you go.